How to fix Battlegrounds loading screen on Windows 10. Here's how to fix Battlegrounds loading screen on your own Windows 10 PC. Step 1. Enable the Change Virtual Memory button. Recommended virtual memory settings in Windows. Step 2. Rear After PC reboot. Step 3. Secure hard disk capacity. FYI, 1. The recommended hard disk space on Battleground is over 30 GB. 2. If the capacity of the Battleground driver is less than 1020 GB, you can organize unnecessary programs and perform a disk cleanup. Optional. Step 4. Attach specifications and ask for PUBG support. To do that, press Windows and R-search xtiag-save all information-saved xtiag file on desktop-attach and submit a ticket.